A friend of mine asked me to do this video. She asked me to cut up a chicken from scratch and let her see how I do it. This is how I do it. I had vinegar in that water there, okay? And I'm taking off the quarter, the leg. See, I take it off the joint. See? I'm trimming off the excess skin, okay? And then I'm gonna put it in the water. And I'm taking off the thigh portion now, and I take it off by the joint, at the joint, and I skin off the skin. Yeah, and put it in the water with the vinegar. Then I take off the wing at the joint. Some people like to put it like that, some people don't. Do a little curve like that to cook it. It goes in the water. And I'm gonna open it up in two. That's the breast. You can cut it in any way you want to. I'm taking off the excess skin, all of the skin off the breast. Then I'm gonna cut it into the pieces. Take off the side, trim off excess fat. Cut it. You can cut your chicken up really fine, in small pieces if you're gonna curry it. But sometimes I like to do my curry, because I do a lot of curry. I like to do it like this. Take off the neck and see, I fold it like that. But sometimes if you have a lot of children, you can cut one out the wing and get a little piece of the breast on it so it look like a little leg. So kids will be happy with that, for their dinner. So you get a little piece of breast on it. That's a different way to cut up the breast. So in a different way to do the breast. You can cut it sideways, you can cut it long way, whichever you prefer. That's the back. On the neck, I strip off all the excess fat, skin off the back, and the butt, the chicken bottom. If you have a kid that is not talking, you can actually clean up the butt, fry it up, and give it to them. And give them a couple of times, and you'll be telling them to be quiet. Okay, so there you have it. It's all cut up. See all of the pieces. That's the back of the chicken. Very delicious when you curry it down. And the bone, if it's soft enough, you can heat the bone. Natural calcium. Wash the cutting board off with some vinegar and water, and wash your chicken and put them out, and then you decide what you want to cook and what you want to store. But sometimes you don't need to use all the chicken all at once. You can put some aside for another day, but it's already cut up, so it's easier to prepare. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe and share the video. How to cut up a chicken, a whole chicken. Do it yourself. Thank you.